there, have you ever wondered how to promote your goods and services over the internet or get sales from your posts on social media? Right away, I will introduce you to digital marketing. My name is Edoga Chukwudi, and today I will reveal to you digital marketing, which is the fastest means of selling your goods and services right now. Before we continue, subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Turn on the notification icon to get notified anytime we upload a new video on digital marketing and other topics. In this video, you will learn what is digital marketing and demystify the misconceptions around digital marketing. I will show you the secrets of becoming an outstanding digital marketer and also expound on the digital marketing tools. You will learn what is digital marketing, why is digital marketing important, what is the role of digital marketing to a company, types of digital marketing, what does a digital marketer do, does all businesses require digital marketing, how to be a digital marketer, and learning digital marketing, what's next. So let's start. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing constitutes all marketing efforts that make use of electronic device or the internet. It takes advantage of digital channels for advertisements like search engines, social media, email, websites, and other channels. The goal is to connect the business to customers, both old and new. A differentiating factor of digital marketing from other advertising via electronic means like television is targeting. Advertisement is delivered to a particular person based on their interest if you are using digital marketing. With digital marketing, you can target a customer, know his or her preference, determine the number of persons you want to reach and when you want to reach them. So, why is digital marketing so important? Digital marketing will help you get across a wider audience than traditional marketing. You should be able to target people that are most likely to buy your product. Also, a very important part of digital marketing is virality. With virality and digital marketing, your campaign can go viral and you'll be able to push forward your message to users who will find your content interesting. This is one of the most interesting aspects of digital marketing. When your post goes viral, you will experience the most cost-effective means of advertising as you achieve the maximum reach at zero cost. This is the holy grail of advertisement. You can specifically target a particular audience with digital marketing. When you choose to advertise traditionally, like on billboard or television, your control over prospects you see your ads are very limited. But with digital marketing, it lets you find and target a particular audience so that you can send them high converting messages meant for them. You can also target a whole lot of people if you are using digital marketing. A very good example of this is a targeting feature of social media that lets you target people based on their name, gender, location, network, or behaviors. And also, what's better still, you can also use pay-per-click or search engine optimization to advertise to people who have shown interest in your services or those who have searched on a keyword that is related to your industry. Furthermore, digital marketing helps you to research your buyers. And when you research your buyers, you should be able to create a buyer's persona and refine your marketing strategy over time so that you can reach only those that are liable to buy from you. One of the most important aspects of digital marketing is that it's cost effective, and it's more cost effective than any other traditional means. With digital marketing, you can track your campaigns, check your daily spenders, and target the right audience to give you a very high return on investment. And what's more, you can't achieve this kind of targeting with traditional marketing. And also, traditional marketing is cost static. It means that your cost can be modified and optimized to fit your audience at any point in time. And in digital marketing, you have the complete control over how much you are going to spend, where you are going to spend it, and when you are going to spend it, and at what rate you want to spend it. This is one of the most important aspects of digital marketing. And if you're a small business owner looking to advertise digitally, investing in social media ads, blogging, search engine optimization will give you a high return on investment at little cost. Effective digital marketing ensures you beat your top competitors. As a small business, it is difficult to beat big players who spend millions on advertisements. Digital marketing gives you the platform to beat them through strategic digital marketing initiatives. And also, you can focus on creating high quality content for the right keywords related to your industry. Search engine will show your content if it resonates with your targeted audience, not minding how big or small you are. Effective digital marketing on social media, you can reach more audience through influencer marketing. Influencers will showcase your product or services to audiences you are unlikely to reach. Digital marketing results can be measured and tracked, and that is one of the most important parts of digital marketing. You get a start to finish metrics on your campaign through digital marketing, unlike traditional marketing routes. You have metrics on impressions, share, clicks, view, and time on your page. Digital marketers can see the results of their digital works in real time. This is such a big win because magazines and newspaper ads don't offer the metrics to know the numbers of persons that read your advertisement. Your return on investment in digital marketing is easy to measure, and also you can see a lot of push on that. A good number of things you can measure on digital marketing include: 1. Your website traffic. Through digital marketing, you can accurately find out the number of people who have viewed your website homepage in real time. With Google Analytics and others, you get analytic data on page views, location of your viewers, their internet devices, and more. The benefit of this is that you can prioritize the channel that's worth your time through your data that you see in your analytics. You can also see the patterns in behavior and know what you can modify to engage your customers further. Also, you can also measure your content performance and lead word generation. Traditionally, brochures are used in advertising and can be easily ignored or quickly disposed of. Digital brochures with good content can generate numerous leads when used as lead magnets. So, what is the role of digital marketing to a firm? It is true that traditional marketing comes in physical marketing, printed ads, phone communication, but digital marketing can be both electronic and online, and mean more outreach to customers for brands. Today, just about every brand owns a website because digital marketing is good for brand awareness. Digital marketing has become what your customers rely on to learn about your brands. To be very competitive as a business owner, digital marketing must be absorbed into your company. It must be inside your company's DNA. You get creative options in tactics to market digitally, including analytic tools to monitor the progress and the ROI of your campaigns. So, what digital marketing means for your business? Digital marketing makes use of channels, assets, and tactics to connect you to customers, where they spend most of their time. And this is online and real time. These tactics and assets can vary from websites, social media, online brochures, email marketing, and much more, including search engine optimization. Professional digital marketers know how any digital marketing campaign can reach their goal, and depending on the goal of their strategy, marketers can support bigger campaigns through channels paid for or free. Digital marketers too can vary from content marketer who creates blogs for a new ebook that the company has made to a social media marketer who promotes this blog post through paid or organic posts on the business social media accounts, to even a small email marketer who will create email campaigns that will be sent to those who download these books from the content of the company's website. So at this point, let's look at types of digital marketing. First of all, let's look at search engine optimization, SEO. To make your website or blog rank higher in search engines, you must optimize it through SEO. There are so many ways of marketing through SEO, such as on-page SEO. This type of SEO focuses on optimizing all content on the website to link to each other and therefore yield better results. Your content should contain popular keywords and provide answers to questions mostly searched by users within your industry. Another part of SEO is off-page SEO. This focuses on creating activities outside your page that will redirect users to your website. One good way of doing this is by researching what activities happen outside your page that can directly affect your ranking, such services that you don't really offer. And also, a good part of off-page SEO is that once you figure out what you need to do, you need to be able to create backlinks that links back to your website. Backlinks are links on other websites that connect back to you. You need to network with other publishers or write on guest posts with backlinks to your website to gather attention and move up in the search engine page results. Also, another part of SEO is the technical SEO. When we say technical SEO, it means it has to do with the technicalities of building a website and the things that make a website better. This focuses on the technical aspects of your website like the image compression, structured data, and the CSS file optimization. Technical optimization can increase how fast your web page loads and consequently increases your search engine rank of your website. Another part of digital marketing right now is content marketing. Remember, the first part I talked about is the search engine optimization. We are now discussing about what? Content marketing. Content marketing deals with making content and promoting content assets for brand awareness, lead generation, and customer attraction. You can use content marketing online through any of the following strategies. 1. Blog posts. Publishing articles on your company's blogs draw traffic to your website and shows your capability in the industry. You can also convert viewers of your page into customers by adding a call to action to collect their contact details. You can also publish ebooks and white papers. Any content in the long forms like ebooks and white papers help readers to gain knowledge in an aspect of your industry while providing the contact information of the reader in exchange. The reader can be followed up and converted to a customer. Another good aspect of content marketing is what? Infographics. Infographics give viewers a visual representation of what they want to know. It is perfect for viewers who prefer pictures to written content. It helps you make you an authority in the field that you are actually operating in. Okay, fine, we have discussed about SEO and we have discussed about content marketing. Another aspect of digital marketing is the social media marketing. I believe everybody today is on social media. Everybody's on social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, and other platforms. And even new ones like TikToks are even coming out. Social media provide a platform to promote your brand, generate leads, drive traffic into your website, and create huge brand awareness for your business. Social media channels include Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Pinterest, and even TikTok. Posting on social media gives you visibility. Also, you can schedule content for more than one social media channel and track the analytics of their performance. With social media, your campaign can go viral and reach audience you can never have imagined. Also, another aspect of digital marketing is what we call the pay-per-click advertisement. And as the name goes, you only pay per result. So you are not just broadcasting to everyone, you are paying per result. You can drive traffic to your website by paying a publisher every time your ad is clicked. Google is the highest pay-per-click platform because it allows you to advertise effectively in Google search result pages and other pay-per-click platforms. You can also pay for ads on Facebook. Brands or marketers can pay Facebook to publish videos, slideshows, and images or news feeds to people that match their targeted audience. Paid ads are awesome for both brand awareness and lead generation. You can also do paid ads on Twitter. Twitter lets you promote tweets or profile badges to news feeds of a particular audience to achieve goals like higher website traffic, more followers, greater app downloads, or even Twitter engagements. You can also do sponsored messages on LinkedIn. You can pay to send messages directly to specific LinkedIn users based on their background or industry. This is effective for high-profile recruitment. Okay, fine. We have done 4 different types of digital marketing. We are moving straight towards affiliate marketing, which is also a very powerful form of digital marketing. For this type of advertisement, you get commissions based on performance for promoting someone else's product or services on your website and channels like your videos on YouTube and your social media pages and even words of mouth. So it is like telling people more about a product, and anytime they buy from those products, you get a commission from it. Then another powerful aspect of digital marketing is marketing automation. You can automate your whole marketing process if you are doing digital marketing. Through softwares, you can automate both your lead generation, both calling, both follow-up, and both closure of your deal. You can automate repetitive marketing tasks like email newsletters, social media post scheduling. You can nurture leads, and also you can track your campaign and also do proper reporting within that. Now let's move on to email marketing, which is one of the oldest and the commonest digital marketing channel. You can use email marketing to communicate with the audience directly. Even people from your website, you can promote your content, your discounts, your promos, and every other thing that has to do with your brand. Types of the emails you can use include, you can do emails on blog subscription, you can actually do download follow-up emails for your website visitors, holiday promotion emails, customer welcome emails, customer nurturing emails, and many more. And also, the last but not the least, we are discussing about what a type of digital marketing that is growing is called the online public relation or the online PR. This is the process of increasing your brand reputation by creating a relationship with media personalities online. You gain earned online coverage through websites for content, publications, and blogs. With online PR activities, it includes reaching out to reporters, engaging on reviews for your company, engaging commenters on your personal website or blogs. And also, you can do sponsored content. You can sponsor a written article on different websites. You can pay other companies to promote your content that discusses your brand or service. You can do this via influencer marketing or through other relevant articles. So, what does a digital marketer do? This whole question people have been asking me. But digital marketers are the ones who are in charge of pushing all brand awareness and lead generation programs on a company, whether it's for the paid or free digital channel. Digital marketers pay attention to key performance indicators of the channels they handle. And that also means that there are different roles for different digital marketers. And one of these roles includes the SEO manager, who is handling the organic traffic. As an SEO manager, your job is to get your web pages to rank higher on Google search results pages through SEO tactics and often working on content with content creators to achieve this goal. We have also the content marketing specialist. Content managers keep track of blogging calendars, create high converting content, and make content strategies. Content includes articles, videos, ebooks, white papers, and infographics. Another type of digital marketer is what? A social media manager. The social media manager schedules content for all social media platforms. It manages conversations on these platforms, responds to messages, and creates strategies to grow followers and engagement in all social media channels. We also have the marketing automation coordinator. This marketer has the duty of picking and running the software that keep the marketing department to be able to measure the growth of the business and to understand customer behaviors. Now also, he or she groups each digital activity into singular campaigns and keep track of each progress so that he knows when one is failing, when one is improving, and what to do about it. Okay, fine. Does digital marketing work for all businesses? Your guess is as good as mine. Yes. Digital marketing works for all businesses. It doesn't matter what your company sells. The digital marketer crafts your persona to meet what customers need and help you drive sales. The fact that digital marketing works for all companies doesn't mean that one strategy works for all companies. It means that you need to create different strategies for your different marketing goals. And each of these strategies can include your business-to-business digital marketing strategy if your business sells to business. B2B companies should only focus on online lead generation while having a salesperson to communicate with prospects. They need to focus on business-oriented channels that actually can make them achieve their goal. And this goal is to be able to talk to a particular business, attract them, and be able to convert them from leads to customers. The marketing strategy for B2C companies is to attract people to your website and have them become a customer. The main focus for your content manager or anybody managing your website is to be able to bring customers to your site, show them their products, and they should be able to buy without speaking to a salesperson. If you're into business B2C, that is business to customers, you should be able to use channels that are visually driven, like Instagram, to be able to show the customers your product and lure them to be able to follow your call to action and buy from your channel. How do you do digital marketing? First of all, if you are to do digital marketing, you need to define your goals. Before you get started with digital marketing, identify what your goals are. Do you really want to sell 1,000 products to 1,000 customers? Or do you need to sell 1,000 products to one customer? These are different things that you define and will help you define your strategies, your campaign and tactics you're going to use. Let's say your goal is to create also brand awareness. Your strategy simply follows the advertising on social media to get more audience and make people know more about you. The truth is that digital marketing becomes so much easier once you already have your goals well defined. After defining your goal, the next thing you need to do is to know your target audience. Who are your audience? Your targeted audience are people with more prospects of buying your product or services. So digital marketing is so good at helping you target a particular set of people. You need to take good advantage of it. Your campaign and goals and your digital marketing channels will need to be able to come together to meet your targeted audience at the right place. You need to make your content to be appealing to this targeted audience and the different audiences that may need your product or services. How much you also spend in making this work is so important. So you need to create a budget for each channel. So how much do you intend to spend in your marketing effort is so important. When you have this and understand how much your budget is, then you should be able to choose which digital marketing channel that you need to do. If you look at that carefully and you understand your budget, you will now be able to know if you're going to balance free and paid advertisement. But at the same time, you need to balance these two means. Digital marketing can either be free or paid, right? And the medium to do that also achieve also good results. Now, if you're actually doing the free strategies, you need to be able to create very rich content to attract and convert people and also be viral. But also, when you combine it with paid advertisement, it actually gets the maximum results. Now, paying for ads is also good if you want to get quick results. Assuming you want 1,000 persons to visit your site within 10 days, the best thing approach to do is actually to do what? Do a paid advertisement. But the idea is that you need to strike a balance between the paid advertisements and free media you are getting. So at the same when you combine them, you achieve the results you actually want to be expecting. It will wow you what you can achieve with it. The next, after you have been able to balance them, you need to be able to create engaging content. Now you know your audience, you know your budget. You have balanced your free and paid advertisement. You need to create next is eye-catching content in all channels. Your graphics needs to be top-notch. Your videos need to be well-made. Your content needs to also be very good. Your advert copy needs to be so good that it can convert your audience from just leads to a paying customer. Now, also, you need to optimize your digital assets for mobile. Like we all know, everybody is on mobile these days. The number of mobile phones has surpassed the number of any electronic device in the world. And a greater number of people consume content via their smartphones and mobile devices. And that is why your digital marketing campaign should also meet their customers and pin them and be able to attract and convert them from their mobile phone. So all your digital assets, both for social media or website, should be optimized for mobile devices. If your company has an app for users to shop or an advertisement, it has to be able to fit in the mobile screen. And also, you need to ensure that users on mobile phone who visit your website have also a very good quality experience as the desktop user. So that means you need to be able to reduce your load time of your website. Because most people who are on mobile are not that patient to be witnessing very slow load time. You also need to be able to convert your leads on the mobile and be able to show them how to move from being just engaging to your content to becoming a customer. Now you have understood this, we need to also tell you the next one. You need to be able to research on your keywords. What are the keywords that define your product and services or the industry you are? With a research, using the right keywords, your content can be personalized to attract the targeted audience. Keywords are so necessary for social media content SEO, and website optimization. Build a list of high-performing keywords related to your product or industry while researching. Then use this to make content. You can do this with or without an SEO strategist to help you. Also, you have to create strategies based on analytics. The metrics of your analytics should determine your course of action in digital marketing. If the analytics are poor, re-examine your approach, your audience response, and be able to fashion out a new way to approach your audience and convert them. Similarly, if your analytics is good, you also need to what? To understand what is working and keep doing that. And you should be able to change a channel if it doesn't fit your purpose, if it doesn't convert, or if you also notice that your traffic is declining, you should be able to ask yourself what happened. And you can find all this content within your analytics. Now, learning digital marketing. How do you go about it? What do you do next? Now that you understand the fundamentals of digital marketing, there is still more to learn to help you deliver the outstanding marketing results you desire. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow the digital marketing playlist. You will get awesome videos like this one that guides you from beginner to expert level in digital marketing. Also, you can visit our website digitaldreamsng.com to register for our digital marketing class today.